Add vinegar to boiled milk and never buy from the market again. I'm going to start by putting 3 liters of milk in a pan. I'm going to turn on the stove and wait for it to start boiling. Look, with the heat already off, I'm going to add half a cup of vinegar to the milk. I will mix very well. Look, the vinegar has already started to separate the milk. I'm going to leave it in the pan for another 5 minutes with the heat already off. In a bowl with a sieve, let all the whey drain very slowly. And with a spatula, I will press our dough to drain all the liquid. Now I'm going to put our dough in the blender. I'll add half a teaspoon of salt. I will also add 2 tablespoons of butter. And if you want, you can also use margarine without any problems. I'll add half a cup of cream. Now with the blender, I will mix everything very well. I'll pour it into a bowl, and look how creamy this cottage cheese is. This recipe is the same as the products sold in the market and yields a lot. I'll show you with it still hot. More if you want to get a firmer consistency, leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And look at the result. It was perfect. Now I'm going to spread them on these toasts. Creamy and very tasty. Make it at home, because besides being very tasty, it's super economical. I want to thank all the followers and visitors. It's always great to have you here with me until our next recipe.